So guys, this is what my garden looked like before I did anything to it. Obviously, yes, it's a mess. So I had my friend come and cut the garden for me so I can have a nice clean slate to work with. So once he cut the garden, I worked on my grass flower panel thing that I bought off eBay. I think it was about £42 and you got 12 panels. So I used like an old meshy thing that I had in the garden to put it on. So my friend was just cutting it to shape so I can use the thingy ties, the black ties to actually tie it to the metal. So once I did that, I was able to buy my flowers separately to put on the panels. Then I got these decals off eBay, which is the name of my food business. It's called Sandra's Kitchen because I'm actually using my mom's recipes for the dishes that we make. So it was quite cheap. I think it was like less than £3. I think it was like £2 something per decal. So I had a squidgy that I bought years ago. As you can see, it's falling apart. So I just used that to press against that decal. Once I pressed against that, I peel it slowly at a 90-degree angle. Just peel it back and voila. That's us finished. So my friend put this together for me. So I'm just gonna fix this thing here. I just chucked it on there, but I need to fix it properly. And then we'll go from there. So I had my friend buy some wood to be able to put this wood up because I was gonna put like something on top of it to cover it so that can be where I put the food under. However, I don't know what I was thinking because that was not big enough to put enough space in case it rained to put the food under. It was like a triangle, like a triangular shape kind of thing. And when we put it up, I was like, what the hell was I thinking? So I was painting it thinking, oh yeah, it's gonna work. I'll just put the table underneath there and then put the food on top of the table. And no, I had to completely like not use that. I had to get something else, a gazebo, like a 3x4 gazebo, and that a white one, and that worked out better for me. So I actually wasted my time painting this and getting it put together for no reason because I was unable to use it and it wasn't going to be beneficial because that table was not, I had 2 tables and they were not going to fit underneath there. I don't know what I was thinking by doing that, but hey, it was a nice day and I got to paint. So yeah, I painted in my pajamas outside in the garden. And yeah, so I had people come from like most of my friends come down from different places. Some of those in Birmingham, London, Sheffield, and it was awesome. I'm so glad about the turnout that I had. It was well worth doing my launch from my house. So this was like obviously how I started off before I found a shop. So this is what it looks like when it's finished. I got the white gazebo there. Then I had the till on one of the tables and then all the trays of food. Then I had the jerk pan. So yeah, it was a great turnout. I made a good profit. So as you can see the flower panel, the leaf panel at the back. I had a treat yourself sign on there that turns on. I didn't turn it on at that point, but yeah. That's what was there. That's my bro doing the jerk. The jerk chicken was amazing. So yeah, that's me. So that's our logo at the back of my shirt. It took me a while to design that, but yeah, that's our logo. So yeah, and this is our menu here. I've designed that all by myself. So there's things you can do. Just do as much as you can. Like, go for what you want. Like, don't let nobody stop you.